Welcome to an effective and refreshing blackhead removal video. Blackheads are one of the most common skin problems, caused by pores becoming blocked by oil, dirt, and dead skin cells. To overcome this, we need proper and thorough treatment. The first step, clean your face with a gentle facial cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. After that, use warm steam or a warm wet towel to open the pores, so that blackheads are easier to remove. Next, we will use a blackhead extractor tool. Make sure this tool has been sterilized. Gently press around the blackhead, then pull carefully to remove any dirt that is clogging the pores. After all the blackheads have been removed, don't forget to clean your face again with toner to close the pores and prevent infection. Finish by applying a moisturizer that suits your skin type to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. With proper and regular care, you can reduce the appearance of blackheads and keep your skin clean and fresh. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep your skin clean every day.